This is Cash. He's been up maybe about 4 today. On and off sleeping, but as soon as you put him down, he wakes up. And he's just now snoring. See if you can hear him snoring. I put him down. I went back downstairs to get Hollis and to get my breast pump. Wasn't down there that long talking to Regina to see how work was when Jacob comes. The baby's fussing. I said, I'm coming. So I came up and Jacob was, I don't know what he was doing. He was just, I think just standing next to the baby, like just putting the pacifier in. But his eyes were closed, so I know that he's tired. And that Hollis stopped and that he wasn't going to wake up. So I put his little vibrator on his bed and now he's snoring. So, Hollis, don't touch the bed. So hopefully he'll sleep the next hour. So I'm going to pump my breast real quick. Put Mr. Hoolis to bed because it's already late. And now I'm going to go to bed. See, I'm just recording baby snoring. See, baby snoring. Shh. Go night-night. Night-night. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.